So you want to know 5 ways to earn crypto with Steem Monsters? Well, let me show you how. Yeah, you can totally earn crypto with Steem Monsters. Steem Monsters is the new breed of digital collectible card games on the blockchain. So let me show you 5 ways to earn crypto with Steem Monsters. And if you have crypto already, you can just go into the Peak Monsters marketplace and start buying and selling Steem Monster cards. For instance, if you bought a card that was worth 3 cents and you sold it for 4 cents, well, you've made yourself a 25-cent profit. And the market cap for Steem Monsters has grown about 10% in the last few weeks since the release of automated Steem Monster tournaments. So it's a great time to get into the marketplace because there's lots of buyers and sellers. So if you have crypto already and you want to convert into Steem, well, I find block trades is the easiest way to do that. And they cover all the popular cryptocurrencies. And the best thing about the Steem Monsters marketplace is there's a budget for everyone. Because cards range from 2 to 3 cents, or you can buy the legendary summoners, which range up to $10. And then you can also go ahead and go with the high roller gold cards. And the highest one here is at $790. So the second way to earn crypto with Steem Monsters is to go ahead and buy a pack and start playing the game. I'll put my referral link down below. And you can buy a starter set with a promo code, credit card or PayPal, or even crypto. And with the starter pack you get about 30 cards. And you can use those cards to play in the fortnightly season. And as you win more matches, you'll earn more season rewards. So if you reach Bronze 1, you'd get 9 cards at the end of a 2-week season. Silver 1, it's 18 cards. Gold 1, it's 30 cards. Diamond 1, it's 60 cards. And if you reach Champion 1, you get 150 reward cards at the end of the season. And you can use those cards to level up or sell them on the marketplace and earn crypto. So the third way to earn crypto with Steem Monsters is to do the quests. Now, the daily quests are ranked battles. So you can complete quests as part of your normal season battles. You usually just have to win 5 ranked battles of a particular splinter. And you get one of these quests every day. And here are the quest rewards. They go up depending on what league you play in. So it starts off with 1 quest reward for a novice and bronze level. And it ranges from 2 in silver 3 right up to 20 reward cards in champion 1. So you can potentially earn 20 reward cards per day, and again, sell them on the marketplace and earn crypto. So for instance here, I'm at Diamond 1 level, and I can claim my reward cards. So let's open these reward cards and see what I've earned. And I've just received a legendary card, and it was just a reward card, so that's pretty cool. I think that card's worth about $1.50 each, so I'm pretty happy with that. And I only had to do that over a day. And this is a pretty good reward pack because I just got myself a gold card as well. So some reward packs are better than others. And an epic card. So I've been trying to collect these guys, but they're hard to turn. And I've got another 4 cards to open. So I've got another gold card and a couple of commons. So all in all, this reward pack has been pretty impressive. And I could easily sell them on the marketplace and earn crypto. So the fourth way to earn crypto with Steem Monsters is to play in the tournaments. Now, I've covered the tournaments in another video, and I'll add a card to give you more details about the Steem Monster tournaments. But right now, there's $4,800 worth of prizes coming up in the next couple of weeks. And as you see, there's a whole heap of different games that you can play. And they start from Novice League and go right through to Diamond. So there's tournaments for all levels of cards. And if you go ahead and buy the starter pack, you'll be able to play in the novice tournaments and earn a little bit of extra crypto. Now, the fifth way to earn crypto with Steem Monsters is to write articles about Steem Monsters and get the Steem Monsters vote. Yeah, that's right. When you register on the Discord and you've bought a starter pack, you can write stuff on the Steem blockchain and get a free upvote from Steem Monsters. So we'll just click on one of these Steemer posts and see what sort of upvote they get. So we can see that this user DKNKYZ has written about Steem Monsters and shared that with their audience. Now if we go down to the bottom, we can see that he's actually got a 54-cent reward, and currently 45 cents of that was via a Steem Monster vote. And writing Steem Monster articles and getting the Steem Monsters upvote is a great way to earn crypto with Steem Monsters. Now, I know I told you this was only 5 ways to earn crypto with Steem Monsters, but I totally forgot about the Steem Monsters affiliate program. Yeah, that's right. If you join Steem Monsters, then share your Steem Monsters link with other people, you'll earn 5% of their purchases, which is a pretty cool reward for promoting the Steem Monsters game. I'll put my referral link down below. So there's my 5 ways to earn crypto with Steem Monsters, plus a bonus way that I completely forgot about. But wait, there's more, because soon Steem Monsters delegations will be available. And when the delegation marketplace is available, you'll be able to lease your cards out to other people and earn more crypto. So that one is coming soon, but I'll cover it in more detail when it's released. So go ahead and try to earn some crypto with Steem Monsters. It really isn't as hard as it seems. And if you need some help, just pop into the Steem Monsters Discord, because everyone's really friendly and it's a great trading card community. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And in my next video, I'm going to go deep into the marketplace and show you some tricks and tips for maximizing your returns and earning more crypto. So until next time, it's bye for now.